Hey guys, I am back, and as you can see I am in a totally new background, and that is because I did move and I'm so excited. So that is why I haven't been making videos, because I was moving and unpacking and the whole 9 yards. But now that I am settled in, I am ready to get back and show you guys the new products that I have been trying. So with this video, I'm going to be doing a updated wash and go. A lot of you have been asking me to do an updated wash and go because my last wash and go was sometime, I think almost 2 years ago. So I am going to show you my updated wash and go. I did post a picture on Instagram, and that is also the picture that's my main picture for this video. So with that picture, I did use these products. I used the Crystal Orchard Gel by the Main Choice. Hopefully it's not a glare because this lighting, I'm still getting used to it. This gel, let me tell you, it's the truth. I used this gel twice, and it's like, you can kind of see the gel is here. Like, this is a, how many ounces is this? 16 ounces. And the gel, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, it doesn't even seem like it's a regular gel. It seems like it's a jam and a gel together. But the hold is amazing. Really, really good. Also, I've been using this Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's like a little glare. Jamaican Black Castor Oil styling lotion. This has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, and it is really good. I must say my hair loves it. My hair has always loved the black castor oil, so this is just a plus. And then I've been using this sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed. This is a leave-in treatment, and this is by the SheaMoisture. This product has my hair really, really, really soft, like, and it smells really good. I must say this is a really good product. If you haven't tried it, I'm not a big fan of SheaMoisture, but with their SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, and now they have this line, I'm starting back to trust in them. They have been probably listening to a lot of people that have been complaining, and they are getting their crap together. Like, this is really good. And of course, I'm going to be using my coconut oil, my baby. So let's get into this video. So I did co-wash my hair, and I used the Suave Naturals conditioner. Just a conditioner to rinse it out. So this is how my hair is looking. I did cut my hair. As you can see, like, I'm not really dealing with a lot of heat damage ends. I cut quite a bit off. And also I did some layers in the front. So the front of my hair is shorter than probably like the sides or something. So actually the sides come down here and the front comes here. So I did trim my ends, and I haven't cut off all of my damaged ends, but I cut a lot. So I just couldn't take it. It's just I cut enough, but I didn't cut all of it. Let's just say that. But my hair is still, as you can see, still fairly long. It's just that it just looks more healthier. I'm not a type person to keep damaged ends. I really can't. So I'm going to do this video. I'm going to turn on the other light because there's a glare. Hopefully you can hear me because it has a fan going. But hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to try to talk louder than the fans. If I'm too loud, just turn the mic down. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking. So get a rat silicone, like I just showed you, and this is just to kind of define my part, but I'm gonna get to that later on. So what I'm gonna do is just section off my hair into nice sections, nice small section, not too small, just small enough to focus on the hair. And I'm gonna tie this up just like so. So what I'm going to do is part this into two, just like that, just into two. And I was using my Turby Twist for probably 10 minutes, and my hair is fairly dry. So I'm just going to spray a little water. That's all it is, just water. And I'm just going to use my fingers, only my fingers. So first thing I'm going to apply is my SheaMoisture leave-in conditioner, and this is how it comes out. So I like to spray it all over my hands and rub it in. And that's all I'm going to use for this section. Literally, it smells so good and my hair is so soft, really soft, like that. So that's how it looks. Then I'm going to use my strengthening lotion, and not too much. This is very creamy as well. My hair loves it. Like, it literally sucks up all of this moisture. And with these two products combined, my hair is really soft. So this is how it's looking so far. Now I'm going to take the gel, and I just want to show you the consistency of the gel. You see, it's like a jam and a gel in itself. So I'm literally just going to take this much. I don't know if you can see how much. It's not even a lot. And I'm just going to place it on the ends and then rake it through. Once I do that, I'm going to take little sections like that. Just apply literally just little bits to my fingertips and just do the shingle method. I think it's called the shingle method, or maybe it's the separating method. I don't know. I think it's the shingle method. And just go in and just separate it like so. Literally. I'm using like bare minimum because the gel really gets through all your hair. So a lot of this gel makes no sense to you. You choose a little and you will be good, like really good. So I guess it's a shingling method of these strands, making sure that my roots has gel on it. And as you can see, my hair is already curling up. Like, do you see that? And I didn't even do nothing crazy. I'm just running my fingers through. That's it. I didn't even scrunch it yet. Hey, look at this. Then I'm going to take some coconut oil and place that over top. Not a lot, just, you know, coconut oil. And then scrunch it. And I don't even really need to scrunch it. Like, this gel is the bomb. Do you see this? Like, that's it. Like, that's all I did. All I literally did was place gel and my hair just started to curl immediately. I hope you can see, because this glare is so annoying. But I hope that you can see it, because this gel is the truth. And now I'm just going to repeat it for the other side. Taking some water, saturating it a little, raking that through, and I'm just using my fingers. I detangled in the shower, but I'm not going to keep running the comb through my hair. Like, I don't want to cause any more breakage. Like, I hope you can see, like, you see those curls? I don't want to cause any more breakage, so I'm just going to use my fingers, and I'm just going to spray my leave-in, like so. Place that. Use some of my lotion. Place that. Then my gel. Literally from the ends on up. Then I'm going to section it off. Take a little bit more gel where I feel like the spots are dry, and just shingle it on out. Literally, that's it. Literally. And most of the time I'm just adding gel to the roots, because sometimes, you know, you can't get in between your hair all the time. So I'm just adding gel to the roots and then just separating it, because there's gel on the ends but not really much gel on the roots. So making sure I get that. Then I'm just going to shingle, and I'm just sliding my hands down my hair, and that's it. Now hopefully you can see this side. Like, do you see this? I'll just go like this. My hair is already curling and I haven't even scrunched it. Take some of my coconut oil and then just scrunch it up. And I don't even need to, like, look at this. I hope that y'all look weird, but I'm trying to let you see how my hair is, and I haven't even, like, this gel really does its job. It really defines. I haven't used a Denman, I haven't used a tangle teaser, I haven't used a comb, I haven't used anything, like literally my fingers. And this is the other side. It's literally defined as hell. So I'm going to speed up the rest of this video because it's pretty much self-explanatory after this part. So I'm just going to speed it up and show you how it looks when I'm done. So this is how my hair is looking, and as you can see, my curls are starting to form really nicely. This gel is the truth. I'm telling y'all, if y'all have not tried this gel by the Main Choice, like, you're really missing out. You're gonna put Eco Style to bed after you done tried this. Like, it's effortless. Your curls form almost immediately. So what I'm going to do now is just allow my hair to air dry for about at least 2 hours without putting anything over it. Once my 2 hours is up, then I'll do the pineapple method and put my scarf on and then my bonnet, and then I'll come back to you in the morning to show you how my hair looks. But the main key to a really good wash and go is to allow it to air dry as much as possible. When my hair air dries 100%, it becomes really, it doesn't form, it becomes like flat, and then the bottom is big. So what I like to do is allow it to dry, like I said, for an hour or two, and then flip my hair over and put it in a bonnet. Then that will allow my roots to kind of dry, but also have volume. So that is a key on having a really good wash and go. So, I mean, some people like to do wash and goes and also use a diffuser. I don't like that because my hair takes a really long time to dry, and I feel like I'm putting a lot of heat on my hair. I already put heat on my hair when it's straight, so I don't want to put as much heat on my hair when it's in its curly state. It makes no sense to me. So I'm going to allow this to air dry, and as you can see, like, you can start to see where I cut the layers, like it's short in the front, so that'll have even more volume on the top. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to kind of shape my hair and at the same time kind of get rid of those ends. So I will definitely come back tomorrow, or when it's dry, yeah, definitely tomorrow, and you will see the final results, and then you can tell me what you think, if you like it, if you don't like it, if you want to try it. But definitely try this gel. I paid $10.99, and this is my third time using this gel, and I believe I could use about 2 more times. That's 5. And I'm sorry, but when you have thicker hair, you go through products like crazy, especially that Eco Style gel. I would have finished that in probably like 3 uses, no lie, because you have to use a lot. This gel glides on really good. Like, the slip is amazing. You can see the shine in my hair. Even though I put some of the coconut oil, I didn't really need to because I had amazing shine before I even added that. So definitely stay tuned for the next clip. And the next clip will be my hair dried, and you will see the volume and everything like that. So stay tuned. So it's the next day, and this is how I kind of sleep with my hair in my pineapple. I don't use any scrunchies or anything because it leaves an indentation in my hair. So I'm going to take it down and show you how it looks. Literally what I do. And as you can see, look at my curls. Like, do you guys see this? My curls are so defined. I have no crunch at all. Like, this is how a wash and go is supposed to look. Do you guys see this? Amazing. Let me turn around so you can see the back. Like, amazing. If you have not tried the Main Choice gel, get on it, because the shine, I can't even tell you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it informative. I hope that you got it and tried that gel. I don't want to sound like I'm the Main Choice spokeswagon, but this gel is the truth. So definitely check out that gel, try, let me know what you think, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe.